Before performance sneakers dominated sports. Before luxury footwear became a billion-dollar industry. Before fashion brands competed for attention across the world. There was simplicity, a fabric upper, a rubber sole, and a design so effective that it would survive for generations. Because not every successful invention is complicated. Some succeed because they solve a problem with extraordinary efficiency. Canvas shoes represent one of the clearest examples of that principle. A category of footwear built from humble materials, yet adopted by millions, students, workers, athletes, artists, musicians, and entire generations of young people. Today, canvas shoes are among the most recognizable forms of footwear on earth. Their influence extends far beyond fashion. They shaped sports, youth culture, streetwear, and everyday life, yet their origins reveal a story of industrial innovation, practical design, and cultural transformation. Because canvas shoes were never intended to become icons, they simply became useful, and usefulness often creates longevity. Canvas shoes are generally defined as shoes featuring a canvas fabric upper combined with a rubber sole. This construction appears simple, but simplicity can be deceptive. Every component serves a purpose. Canvas provides flexibility, breathability, lightweight, and affordability. Rubber provides grip, durability, shock absorption, and protection from the ground. Together, these materials created a remarkably versatile product. A shoe suitable for everyday movement. The origins of canvas shoes emerged during a period of rapid industrial change. The 19th century introduced new manufacturing technologies. Factories expanded, rubber production improved, textile industries grew increasingly efficient. These developments made it possible to combine materials in new ways. Footwear manufacturers recognized an opportunity. Traditional leather shoes offered durability but often lacked flexibility and affordability. A lighter alternative could reach a broader audience. Canvas became an ideal solution. The fabric was strong, widely available, and relatively inexpensive. When paired with rubber soles, it created an entirely new category of footwear. The concept quickly gained popularity. Early canvas shoes proved practical. They were comfortable, easy to manufacture, and accessible to ordinary consumers. As production expanded, the shoes reached schools, workplaces, and recreational activities. Their versatility became one of the greatest strengths. The engineering behind canvas shoes demonstrates how effective simple design can be. Canvas is a woven fabric known for its durability relative to weight. Its structure allows airflow. This improves comfort during prolonged wear. The material also conforms gradually to the shape of the foot. As a result, many wearers experience increasing comfort over time. Rubber contributes equally important advantages. It provides traction, protects against moisture, and absorbs some impact during walking. Together, canvas and rubber create balance. The shoe remains lightweight without becoming fragile, comfortable without becoming expensive. Few products achieve such efficient compromise. This balance explains much of their success. Psychologically, canvas shoes occupy an interesting position. Footwear often communicates identity. Formal shoes suggest professionalism. Athletic shoes suggest performance. Luxury shoes suggest status. Canvas shoes communicate something different. Accessibility, freedom, and individuality. Their simplicity allows people to project their own identities onto them. The shoes rarely dominate an outfit. Instead, they adapt. This flexibility contributes to their cultural appeal. People often view canvas shoes as approachable, authentic, unpretentious. These associations emerged gradually through decades of use. Youth culture played a particularly important role. Throughout the 20th century, young people repeatedly embraced canvas shoes. Students wore them, musicians adopted them, artists personalized them, subcultures integrated them into their identities. The shoes became canvases in more than one sense. People decorated them, customized them, modified them. They transformed mass-produced footwear into personal expression. This ability to support individuality strengthened their cultural significance. Sports further accelerated their popularity. Before modern athletic footwear became highly specialized, many athletes competed in simple canvas-based shoes. Basketball players, tennis players, gymnasium students, the footwear performed adequately across numerous activities. This versatility expanded its reach dramatically. Millions of people encountered canvas shoes through physical education, recreational sports, and daily life. The shoes became familiar, and familiarity often leads to affection. As fashion evolved, canvas shoes adapted continuously. Different colors emerged, new silhouettes appeared, design variations expanded, yet the essential formula remained unchanged. Canvas, rubber, simplicity. This consistency proved valuable. Consumers understood the product immediately. The shoes felt reliable because they remained recognizable. Few fashion items maintain such continuity. Modern footwear technology has advanced dramatically. Contemporary sneakers incorporate sophisticated cushioning systems, advanced materials, performance engineering, digital manufacturing processes. Yet canvas shoes continue thriving. This persistence reveals something important. People do not always seek maximum complexity. Sometimes they seek clarity, products that perform their function without unnecessary complication. Canvas shoes embody that philosophy. They remain practical, affordable, adaptable, and culturally relevant. Their appeal transcends generations. Children wear them, adults wear them, fashion enthusiasts wear them, minimalists wear them. Their simplicity creates universality. Perhaps that explains why canvas shoes never disappeared. Because trends often depend on novelty, canvas shoes depend on usefulness. And usefulness rarely becomes obsolete. The design solved a real problem: comfortable footwear for everyday life. That solution remains valuable today, just as it was generations ago. A fabric upper, a rubber sole, and a design that changed global footwear forever. Not through luxury, not through complexity, but through practicality. The kind of practicality that quietly becomes timeless. Canvas shoes represent that achievement. A simple product, built for movement, adopted by culture, and carried forward through generations. Because some of the world's most successful designs are not remembered for what they added. They are remembered for what they made easier. That is the story of canvas shoes. The footwear that proved simplicity could conquer the world.